Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make tables in Microsoft Word. So first things first, all you have to do is to open your Microsoft Word, or you can launch Microsoft Word, open a new document or existing document where you want to insert the table. Now here's the thing, to insert a table here, you just have to go to the insert option. Now you can click table, hover over the grid to select the number of rows and columns you want. For example, 3 by 4, 3 rows, 4 columns, and then click to insert the table. So basically, you will see it right here. You can increase the number by tapping this arrow facing up, and also the columns. Everything is up to you. So that's it. All you have to do is to click insert, and then you will see the table on the page. Enter the number of rows and columns and then click OK. So this is what it looks like. Now another thing also is that you can insert here a draw table. So basically you can draw a table right here by going back to the insert option, tap on insert, and then you have to look for draw or draw table. Use the pencil cursor to draw rows and columns manually. Well, this is helpful for custom layouts or uneven cells, but it's kind of hard. Then if you want to add Excel spreadsheets, you can tap this one right here, or you can just add quick table or calendars. Everything is up to you. You can adjust cell size. You can hover the cell border until a double arrow appears, then drag to resize. You can also add borders right here and change the color of the border. So for example, if you want to tap this one right here, change the border line, border color, you just have to go to this side right here. Okay. And then you can also do advanced options. You can go to layout, auto fit to make cells adjust to content or window size. So explore table design styles options to add banded rows or first column emphases. And this is how you make tables in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.